of dentin. First, we have to write the definition. Dentin is a mineralized connective tissue surrounds the enclosed pulp, provides bulk and form the tooth. Human teeth have three major types of dentin: primary, secondary, and tertiary. Types of dentin based on the time of formation includes primary, secondary, and tertiary. Based on structure, pretibular, intertubular, predentin. Dentin associated with age changes, datrix, sclerotic, and reparative. Okay. Primary dentin. Diagram of dentines. Over here, this is pulp. The part this is secondary dentin. The pink one is primary dentin. And this white, the whole primary dentin includes secondary and mental dentin. The pink one is the mantle dentin. Blue one is the secondary dentin. And over here is also the dentin. Primary dentin is the dentin which outlines the pulp, which form before the root completion. Primary dentin includes mental dentin, circumpulpal dentin. Mental dentin is the first dentin in the crown, lying just below dentino-enamel junction, form before root tooth erupt in the oral cavity. It is less calcified than other dentin. It is soft and provide cushioning effect to the teeth. It is the outer part of the primary dentin, 20 thick. The crown portion, erigophilic collagen fiber present called the von Coffer fiber, and in the root portion covered by hyaline layer of Hopewell and Smith on the cementum side. It is less calcified. Circumpulpal dentin. It forms the remaining primary dentin or the bulk of the tooth. Represent all the dentin that is formed before root completion. Collagen fibers in circumpulpal dentin are much smaller and diameter is 0.05 They are compact, more mineralized. Secondary dentin formed after the root formation is complete. Over here the concept is that earlier concept that the secondary dentin has formed in the response of the psychological force of mastication, but it is no more valid as secondary dentin has been demonstrated even in unerupted teeth. પહેલાં એવું કહેતા હતા કે સેકન્ડરી ડેન્ટિન ફોર્મ થાય છે કેમ કે માસ્ટિકેટરી ફોર્સના લીધે, બટ આ ખોટું છે બિકોઝ સેકન્ડરી ડેન્ટિન છે ને અનઇરપ્ટેડ ટીથમાં પણ દેખાય છે. Secondary dentin has incremental patterns and few tubules and they are less regular. The boundary of primary and secondary dentin tubules change directions, show wavy course in secondary dentin. Secondary dentin is not formed uniformly, but it is formed greatly in the floor and the pulp and the root of the pulp chamber. Tertiary dentin, also known as reparative dentin, produced by odontoblast in the response to irritation of the pulp caused by the chemical, thermal and microbial stimuli. It is formed very rapidly. Such dentin contains few tubules and irregular tubules. Sclerotic dentin is also known as transparent dentin.